Okay, so in this video, you're going to learn how to solve trigonometric equation which involves two or more terms. Meaning, we're now going to consider a group of equations that we're going to apply multi-step techniques of finding their solutions. Okay? And then, gagamitin pa rin natin yung mga technique natin na ginamit doon sa ating previous lesson, yung mga straightforward techniques natin, gamit yung zero factor law, at ganun din yung ating inverse trigonometric functions. And yung mga advanced techniques natin ditong gagamitin, actually ginagamit na natin sa algebra, yung factoring of expressions. And then, gamit din natin yung last week lesson natin, yung trigonometric identities. Now, the primary goal is when we use factoring and trigonometric identities is to reduce the given equation equivalent into one-term equation only. So, gagawin natin siyang equation with one term only. Okay? Now, to do that, um, wag tayong magdi-divide both sides muna ng mga trigonometric functions. Gagawin muna nating zero yung right side of the equation, meaning all of the terms will be transposed to the left side of the equation. So, ganito. So, 2 cosine x tangent x equal to 2 cosine x. Okay. Now, transpose natin to. Okay? Do not divide both sides by 2 cosine x. Okay? Mali yun. So, transpose natin. So, we have 2 cosine x tangent x minus 2 cosine x equal to 0. Common mistake dito, nagdi-divide both sides ng common terms sa left and right side of the equation. So, never do that. Gawin natin 0 yung right side and then mag-apply tayo ng factoring. Okay? Or gamit tayo ng trigonometric identities. So, factorable ang 2 cosine x. So, factor natin 2 cosine x quantity. So, this is tangent x minus 1 equal to 0. So, ito one term na to. This is now equation that involves one term only. So, pwede nating i-apply yung straightforward techniques natin na zero factor law at ganun din yung inverse trigonometric identities. Okay? So, 2 cosine x equal to 0 according to zero factor law. And the other one is second factor, tangent x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, hindi given yung ating interval dito na kukunin. So, we have to determine the complete solution of the said equation, or this equation. Okay? So, we have 2 cosine x. So, we're going to divide both sides by 2. So, we have cosine x is equal to 0. So, we have inverse of cosine is cosine to the negative 1, 0. So, what value of x so that if we get its cosine equal to 0? So, magiging 0 lang siya kapag yung terminal side ay nasa positive y-axis and negative y-axis. So, therefore, dalawang possible solutions from the interval of 0 to pi. Pwedeng pi over 2 or 90 degrees and 3 pi over 2. Madami pa. Okay? Yun muna. For the complete solution, alam natin, ang period ng cosine ay 2 pi. Complete solution will be pi over 2 plus 2 pi k. Okay? And this one, x is equal to 3 pi over 2 plus 2 pi k. And k is an element of real number. Yung ating first solution para sa ating first factor. Para makita natin pala, no? Yung cosine 0 kapag 90 degrees or pi over 2. At 0 din kapag 3 pi over 2 or 270 degrees. Okay. And then for this one, we have transpose 1 to the other side or negative 1. That will be tangent x is equal to 1. So what value of x so that if we get its tangent is equal to positive 1. So, 45 degree yon. Okay? So, positive. So, positive si tangent dito. And 45 degrees is pi over 4. Sa first quadrant, ganun din, positive siya dito. Pi over 4. Okay? So, ang sagot natin is pi over 4 and ano ba to? Every pi. Ano? Every pi, yung kanyang period. So, pi over 4, etc. Pag nag-add ka ng pi, that is 5 pi over 4, etc. So, therefore, the complete solution for this factor, for this x, is x pi over 4 plus pi. Maulit-uli. Pi k. K is an element of an integer. So, yan ang ating complete solutions. Okay? So, that is the solution for example number 1. Thank you.